You see, if you look at the volume of area of cube, he's asking you the surface area. So they will say they will say it's 6L square. Now, don't you should know how you get that formula. Only then you can solve this. And if you see, if they ask you what's the surface area of a cylinder, they will say 2 pi r plus h. But if you just know the formula, you can't do this question because you have to know how you got the formula, because there is a trick here. There is some modification here, some manipulation here, which you have to consider. So first I will tell you how you get the formula. So this formula comes because there are six faces. You see, there's a face behind also. There are six faces. This is L into L. This area is a square, so it's L square. This area is also L into L, so this is also L square. So there will be six faces. First phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, fifth phase, sixth phase. Six. That's why it's six L square. Understood? Understood. Now, how do you get this formula? You see, in a cylinder, there are two circles. So these two areas are pi r square and pi r square. And if you cut this from this side, if you open it up, it will become a rectangle with with one length being 2 pi r, the circumference of this, and one being the height. So this area is 2 pi r h. So basically you have 2 pi r h, the curved surface area, and two circles as the faces. So 2 pi r square. So when we take out 2 pi from this, you get r plus h, and that's how you get this formula. Okay. But in this, it's slightly different. You see, you can't use this because you have to calculate this area first. And this area is 6L square minus this pi r square. So this area is 6L square minus pi r square. Understood? And the curved surface area is 2. So don't use this formula. Just use the curved surface area, this 2 pi r h thing, and 1 pi r square here. So the answer to this is you do 2 pi r h, the r is 4.9 and the height is 4.9 and r is 2.9. Then you do this area, which is pi r square, pi into 2.7 square. And then you do this area, which is 6L square minus this circular area, because that gets hidden. So minus pi r square, where L is 8.7 and R is 2.7 again. So this is what you have to do. So this pi r square and this pi r square gets cancelled because some one is subtracted, one is added. And then you can just do 2 pi r h plus 6L square. Understood or no? These are the tricky questions. They will come in your exams, and this is the problem. The first step is you don't even know the formulas. So the first step is, the first weakness in Sumer is he is not hardworking at all. So first is he doesn't even know the formulas. Then the next step is the next person who goes deeper should knows the derivation of the formulas. That also you don't know. Then if this student, when the last 20, this guy who knows the formulas he comes in the first 80% of the class. Then who knows the derivation, he comes in the first 50% of the class. And then he knows how to modify that, he starts coming in the first 25% of the class. So this is what I modified it. And if it's a good day, he comes in the first 10% of the class. That means he's a topper. So I don't know how will you modify yourself? How will you change? We'll